In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OKX in Tradingview. Connecting your OKX account to Tradingview lets you place trades directly from your charts, which can really streamline your trading workflow. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and head over to the Tradingview website. Make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account before you continue. If you're not logged in, you'll be able to view charts, but you won't be able to connect a broker or place trades, so it's worth double checking that now. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage, look for the option called Super Charts, or just Chart, usually located in the main navigation or prominently on the front page. Go ahead and click that. This will open the advanced charting interface where all the trading tools and broker connections live. When the chart loads, you'll see various panels and tools around the chart area. What we need is the trading panel. This is typically found at the bottom of the screen. If you don't see it right away, look for a tab or button labeled Trading Panel and click on it. That will expand a section that shows different brokers and trading connections you can use with Tradingview. By default, Tradingview might only show a few popular brokers. To access the full list, look for an option that says Show All Brokers and click on that. This is important because OKX won't appear if you're only viewing the shortened list. After you click Show All Brokers, you'll see a more complete list of supported brokerages and exchanges. At the top of this list, there should be a search bar. Click into the search field and type OKX. Tradingview will filter the results and you should see OKX appear as one of the available connections. Once you see OKX in the list, click on it. Tradingview will then prompt you to connect your OKX account. At this point, you'll usually be redirected to an OKX login or authorization page, or a pop-up will appear. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions, log into your OKX account if necessary, and approve the connection. After you've confirmed everything, Tradingview should show that you're connected to OKX in the trading panel. From there, you can start placing orders directly from your chart using your OKX account, making your trading experience much smoother and more efficient.